Hi guys, welcome to MS Excel 2016. This is Anil. Today in this class, you will be learning how to create drop-down menu or drop-down list in MS Excel. This is class 2. So what is a drop-down menu or drop-down list and how you can implement it in MS Excel? So let me open an Excel sheet for you. I'll show you how a drop-down menu or drop-down list will look in Excel. So whatever this particular column you're seeing, department column, the values whichever you're seeing here, customer relationship, finance, customer relationship, marketing, customer relationship, support services, these all are drop-down list values or drop-down menu values. So how a drop-down menu looks. So if you closely observe, there is a drop down option. If you click on that particular cell here, if you click on that, you will see the drop down menu. These are the drop down values that the user will be restricted to use or to pick any one of these value. Apart from these values, the user cannot put any other value in this particular cell. This is the functionality of drop down menu or drop down list. If there is a need while creating an Excel sheet, and if you want to restrict the user to give his or her own text, if you want to restrict the user to pick the value from the certain set of values, then you will be creating a drop down menu. Let us assume this is a table. Let us assume that this is a software company employees list with a few rows, like 10 rows. There are 10 rows available in this table, and there are few columns too: serial number, name, age, company name, and there are different type of departments in the company. So now while creating the employee list table, so we have to enter the employees details. While entering the employee details names, definitely you have to pick the employee relates to which department. So for example, for first row, if you take for John, his age is 26, he belongs to company name as software company. So this will be same for all the employees, because we are working, suppose assume that we are working for software company and the company name is software company, so we'll put this as software company. And if you come to the department, that varies for every individual rows, right? So John may work for some other customer relationship management team, but Tom will work for finance team. So in that way, if you want to create an employee register, employee database, so you have to give these values. Let us assume if your company having these set of values, like this set of departments, and if you want only these values to be picked up, any one of these values to be picked up for any resource who joins in your company, then at that point of time, what you can do is you can create a drop down menu with these options, and you can give that as a cell here, so that while filling the user can pick only one of those options. Apart from that, he cannot pick the other value. So how to create that in Excel? Today we will be learning that. It's very simple and easy, and it is very interesting. This is called sheet 1, and I have created a duplicate for this one in the second sheet called table. So this is a plain table, right? Now first, what before applying this drop down menu, let me select the entire table and go to format as table and select any default template. Select my table has header, because my table is having header, serial name number, serial number, name, age, company, department. So I'm clicking OK. Now this table has transformed to a branded table. Now this is good. Now what we'll do is, I want to create an drop down menu or drop down list for this particular cell. You will click here on the plus button, so that you will create a new sheet. Paste these values, copy this and paste here in the new sheet. Rename this as some scratch, and go to the table, click on the cell, go to data validation. Instead of selecting any value, select list. Click on source option, this top arrow button. Now you can select this scratch sheet, select the values, again click on this down arrow button, click OK. Now this particular cell is transformed to a drop down menu or drop down list. Now you can see, right, this is a drop down menu. Before picking up any value for this particular cell, what you can do is you have to create this drop down list for the entire column, right? So just click black color rectangle symbol. Once you put your mouse on that black dot symbol, your mouse will turn into plus symbol, then drag, click the left button on your mouse and drag till the end of the table. Got it? Now all the cells are drop down menus. Now if you create a new row also, if you click tab here, this will be also a drop down menu, right? Now how to add these values? Let us assume John belongs to some marketing, Tom belongs to some information technology, Prem belongs to some customer relationship, Peter belongs to finance, support services, and this guy also to information technology. Now this is the way you can restrict the user. Instead of putting his own user value, you can make them to pick the value from the drop down menu. Watch my next videos. You will be learning how to remove the existing data validation, or how to remove the drop down list to that particular cell, and also how to enter the user is or her own text, even though if drop down menu is available. And don't forget to subscribe my tutorial. You will be missing so many lot of good tips. Watch my next further videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.